Hi, welcome to Tech ETV. Do you know that creating shorts is the fastest way to get subscribers? I'm going to share a few secret steps to get more views on shorts that no one tells you. All steps are very important, so stay till the end of the video. Number 1. Engagement with the audience is key. If people who watch your video like or comment, YouTube thinks your video is good and shows it to more people. Let's see how to get more engagement. Simply telling viewers to like and comment won't suffice. Maybe only 10% will like and comment to praise your effort, but the majority will not. Here are some tips to encourage viewers to comment on your video. You can conduct a finger count test or ask viewers to comment their score out of the things you mentioned. Ask a question in the middle or at the end of the video. Prompt viewers to complete the sentence suggested by their keyboard starting with "I want to" or "I can," anything else. Encourage viewers to comment with their country, favorite food, name of their crush, or birthday to find a birthday twin. Ask viewers to suggest what kind of video or challenge you should do next. Offer incentives, such as giving a gift for any comment without a reply, or rewarding correct answers. Ask if viewers have friends or siblings like the ones described in your video. These are just a few ideas. You can create a question that matches your video's content or structure the entire video as a collection of questions. You can also pose a question in the title, at the end, or in the middle of the video. Number 2. The next important thing is to keep the viewer engaged for a longer time, encouraging them to watch your video repeatedly. Here's a funny example. Have you noticed that in videos featuring pretty girls, they often include a scene of wearing a hot dress for just a few milliseconds? What do men do? They try to pause the video at that exact moment. They attempt it several times. Unconsciously, the viewer ends up staying in the video for a longer time than its actual length. This increases audience retention, and the YouTube algorithm identifies it as a good video, suggesting it to more people. I'm not suggesting that everyone should wear a bikini in front of the camera for more views. Just include a millisecond scene in the middle of the video that entices viewers to pause and see what was there. Number 3. Make your video short, no longer than 30 seconds. Why is it important? When your video is short, people watch it till the end, and if they don't swipe, the video automatically replays. This increases audience retention by more than 100%. You can see that in analytics. YouTube suggests these kinds of videos to more viewers. If your video is lengthy, viewers will only watch half of it, and reducing your audience retention. YouTube then perceives your video as not good. If you want to make a lengthy video, you should keep the viewer engaged till the end by increasing their curiosity. You should have a good story. Number 4. View to swipe away ratio. The next important thing is keeping the view to swipe away ratio high. For that, you should put a hook to prevent the viewer from swiping away your video. You can start with something strange or abnormal at the beginning of the video, or something that piques the viewer's curiosity. You can start from asking something from the viewer. From your first sentence, the viewer should stop and decide to watch your video. If your content is educational, give the viewer an idea of what your video is about and create curiosity within them. Curiosity is the key to increasing this ratio. Some people cut a part of their long video and put it as a short video, but I advise against that. If the view to swipe away percentage is above 50%, you've put in a good hook, and YouTube will suggest your video to more people. Number 5. Thumbnail. You may think, why is a thumbnail important for a short video? Even though this is a shorts receive views not only from the Shorts feed, but also from search results, browsing features, and channel pages. Shorts feed means that while someone is watching a Shorts, YouTube suggests your video to them. Searching results means when someone searches a word, even if your video is irrelevant to what they searched, YouTube suggests your short. Browsing features mean that when your subscribers are scrolling up and down on YouTube, YouTube suggests your short. Channel pages means that when someone looks at your channel, they can see your shorts. So you should use a thumbnail that creates curiosity in the viewer to click on the video. Subscribe and stay with my channel. I will teach you how to create a good thumbnail. Number 6. Ask a question from the viewer in a comment and pin it. Why? Do you think viewers open the comment section only to leave a comment? No. People actually prefer engaging with others' opinions more than their own. So they open the comment section to see what others have commented. They will like and reply to others' comments. And don't forget, you must like and reply to all comments. If you need more engagement from the person who commented, you can ask a question or seek further clarification about what they commented. Number 7. Creating shorts that loop. Do these 3 things to make shorts that seemingly play forever. Make the video extremely short, like 7 or 8 seconds. The longer a video is, the harder it will be to replicate a scene without the viewer realizing what happened. Add one still frame to the beginning and end of your short. On YouTube, there's a brief delay before the start of a video. So if you rewatch a video, 1 second will pass before it plays again. Add a still frame to the beginning and end of his shorts. The frames are identical, so it's difficult to know the video has looped after 2 plays. Don't add music. If the music in your short doesn't loop perfectly, it ruins the effect. Viewers will instantly know they're watching a loop. Number 7. Title, description, tags, and hashtags. You may think these are not important for shorts, but they play a crucial role in gaining more views. The timing of when you upload a short is also very important. Additionally, knowing how to adapt content appropriate for shorts is crucial. Most importantly, if your video receives 0 views, knowing how to insert it into the shorts feed is essential. I will explain all of these things in my next video. So, subscribe and press the bell icon or you'll miss out. Don't forget to comment with your ideas about my video and any problems you face while managing a YouTube channel. I'll make videos on those topics too. Take care, and let's meet in my next video. See you!